So, recap, Toby, your on-track experience is
Zero.
non-existent.
Zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you've been in some pokey cars or like properly fast cars? You've done like a supercar experience or anything like that?
No. So
Okay.
I've been in nicer cars.
Okay.
Not so a couple of Bentleys and Audis and stuff. Like nice Audis,
okay.
an R8, but not
Driven flat out on the road?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, not on the road, of course not, because that would be illegal, but yeah.
Nothing like this.
Okay, well, let's see what we can do. The fact that I made Lib feel uneasy, that's good. The fact that I made my friend Sean feel uneasy, that's surprising, because he's a bit of a veteran when it comes to being a passenger with me, so we'll see. Okay, so we are session 3. Brakes are fine, well, brake discs and brake pads seem to be okay, but the pedals, yeah, we'll see. Like I say, I'll just take it easy, it'll be all right. So what's your daily drive?
Oh, a Volvo S40.
Oh, okay.
Very old one.
Right.
Then a Kia Sportage for the family one.
Okay, so nice family bus. I have a C-Max for those duties. Take it a bit easy in the beginning, just kind of get everything warmed up. You imagine as well the circuit, if you've ever seen it on the TV, it doesn't look anything other than flat really.
Yeah, no.
But then you come out here and you realise it's all over the place.
Yeah.
You know, drops down here, back up again. This is called No Name. This is where Sir Sterling had his accident that gave him a brain injury. This is St Mary's, and the circuit really drops away after this here. Coming up on the corner called Lavant, which leads us onto the back straight. So this is, in theory, one of the most important corners on the circuit to get right. can't take it flat out, because if I do, I'm going so fast here, but you have to get the car straight before you brake, because you have to scrub off a lot of speed, so just kind of compromising that a bit. Ooh, back was moving then. Nice. About an hour now, watching me go past a couple of times. It looks very serene, doesn't it, from the pit wall?
Yeah, it does.
How does this compare to what you thought?
It's so much quicker than it looks out there.
You don't realise how busy it is as well.
No, I know, yeah. When you were going past before, it seemed like all the cars were going through at the same,
yes,
in the same position as they went out on. Like both times I watched it go out, but this time, like, you've overtaken everyone, I think. So. Through the corners, I'll be amazed. No, look at him go. Being left by a Mini. I want to hang back now. I don't want him to let me pass before the corner's up there, and I'll see if I can stay with him. Not a chance.
look at him. Look how quick he is. I mean, that's a Mini.
Unreal.
I've got 360 horsepower. Even with all this straight, I can't get it. What a thing. And if I try and keep with him, we'll crash. Because I'll try and go around the corner as quickly as he does. God, rapid. I actually quite like following him. So let's try coming in here without braking too much. See the back of his car sliding? Yeah. It's kind of like he just pivots on the front wheels.
Yeah.
No, he wants to let me pass now. I'll go on the next bit. God, that is so mobile at the back. That's it.
It was amazing.
That was a session. Oh, I'm going to turn the air down a bit. I'm feeling it a bit. So how was that from the passenger seat, Toby? First time ever on circuit?
Yeah, that was unreal. Absolutely amazing. The bit with the Mustang was a bit.
Sorry?
The bit with the Mustang was a bit ropey.
Yeah, not quite sure what was happening there. And he wasn't conscious of anyone behind him.
No.
And then the passenger had a handheld video camera. So, okay, 3 sessions in. Yeah, it's nothing like the RS. I bought this with open eyes, so I knew it wasn't going to be an M2. And having come from the RS that was properly sharp, this is, it is. It does just feel like your Kia Sportage or my C-Max. It feels like a family car with an enormous engine. It certainly doesn't have the really sporty chassis. And they've given it some firm springs and dampers and some kind of half decent brakes. So those things are lasting better than a standard car, but it's not the sharp RS experience. Yeah, it's good. It's good though. Fun.
It's amazing because when you're coming back around that last bend, it felt like you were going about 30 miles an hour. Because of how fast.
Just then?
Yeah,
but we were doing what, 70, 80 miles an hour? Yeah, you don't. This is the other thing. You lose all sense of speed because there's no lampposts or oncoming traffic or buildings. So it is. Yeah, we were probably nudging. I don't know because I can't see because I've got this camera in the way. But I'd imagine we're nudging 135 before the brakes back there. I mean, it's one of the fastest circuits in the country. It's the fastest I've ever been on. There's a circuit called Bedford Autodrome, and they have a 1 kilometre long straight.
Okay.
Still only got up to about 115, 120. It is a bit of a rarity to have, because there are 3 long periods of acceleration here, all with fast corners before. So you get onto them and you're already doing 80, 90 miles an hour, so it doesn't take that much to get to 100. This 1 kilometre straight at Bedford, it's like I got a hairpin beforehand.
Yeah.
Are we going? Are you going through? Yes, they are. Oh, he's letting me go. Am I just about to do 15 minutes off, then 15 back on again? That's what killed my focus.